What's going on, everybody? My name is ZealetPrince, and welcome back to yet another reaction video. And today, we are checking out a video from a man I have not watched from his series in a long time. Suction Cup Man, made by Piemations. It has been a while since I've seen an episode installment of Suction Cup Man, because the last one I reacted to, I think, was the first Piemations video I ever reacted to. Suction Cup Man 4, and I think that was in 2021. Before I went away for a summer vacation. Right before I went away from vacation. If you know anything about Suction Cup Man, there is a lot of swearing. So if you don't like a lot of swearing, I heavily suggest you click off this video. But the situation here seems interesting. It's Suction Cup Man fights a bird. How this man is gonna get fighting with a bird is beyond me. But I will be surprised. But it's also been a little while too since I've also checked out a Piemations video. I don't remember the last one I actually reacted to. It might have been the 5 a.m. at Freddy's thing, but that was months ago, I think. So don't entirely remember when it happened. So I'm curious as to how this episode is going to go, because Piemations always finds a way to make me laugh, especially when it's freaking Suction Cup Man. But other than that, we're going to get right into this in 3, 2, 1, boom. And I'm sorry this has been so heavily delayed. I've said in a previous video what happened. And if you haven't checked that community tab, that's why. Climbing this tower as always. Got more drinks here. Trump is. That's your plan for today, man? This man always had extra suction cups. Is he not talking this time, bro? Oh my god, we're really doing... Uh-oh. That face! This man really can't die. Oh my god, the pose. I wonder what businessman's do. Damn, he just punched the shit out of that bird. Alright, this is literally the equivalent of Peter Griffin fighting the giant chicken. We've got Suction Cup Man versus a freaking pigeon. Coordinated. Oh yeah, I forgot he has that. Where's the harmonica? My god! Oh, now it's even more personal. Why does he have a crowbar? When did he get a crowbar? Ah, there's businessman. Ow. All right. Poor Zach. Oh my god. I did not expect that to go that way. I did not expect it to end that way. I was expecting a lot of yelling this time as well. But I guess Suction Cup Man was finally able to hold his tongue today. The only one who really spoke was Businessman. Zach. I didn't think he'd be involved. Oh, I was hoping he would be involved in some way, but I didn't think it was going to go like this. That was well coordinated, by the way, too. The choreography, the fighting between the pigeon and Suction Cup Man. I was actually taken back by how well it was, how good it was, actually. I didn't expect it to be like, like that. I thought it'd be like, a bunch of skits of them just trying to get back and forth at each other. But no, it was just straight on brawl. So he definitely took me by surprise, Piemations. I was not expecting that. Once again, you have surprised me. But, yeah. But I hope you guys enjoyed today's reaction video. I'm sorry this was so delayed. I knew I wanted to get it done right away, but I couldn't at the time. Plus, I was barely home long enough to even record. Starting December, I was barely home. Barely. Like, maybe I had maybe 2 to 3 hours to myself just to get things done around the house. That was it. That's how much time I had to myself. But regardless, I hope you guys enjoyed my reaction to this, even though it's so late. And I hope to see you guys in the next reaction video. So please like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.